5 to 10 miles per hour. Gusts up to 20 miles per hour in the evening. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey until 5:45 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Haynesville, or near Montague, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Montague, Franklin, Hamburg, Sussex, Branchville, High Point, Pelletown, Highland Lake, Vernon Valley, Haynesville, and Crandon Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.